square, 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 pixel, square. Oh yes, it's time for another experimental artwork. This time I want to incorporate a pixel effect in a drawing. So in this video I'm gonna walk you through that journey of me trying out this pixel effect. So I really hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, that's always much appreciated. So without further ado, let's get you to the video. Enjoy. And if you're new here and you like the video, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future art videos. So I've been thinking a little bit about this pixel art, and I feel like this can go into two directions. First direction would be that you try to create something recognizable with just simple pixels. And the second direction in which this can go, it's basically trying to blur something recognizable with pixels. Okay, so I realize that this might sound a little bit vague, so let me explain it with an example. Let's say you have a completely random image, something like this. Well, if you want to turn that into pixels, you would probably end up with something like this. You would try to make it as recognizable as possible just by using simple pixels. But there's also a second option, the option where you basically blur the image with pixels, and it would look something like this. Alright, I hope this example clarifies my thought process a bit more. So now you probably wonder what direction I will go, and well, maybe you've seen it in the thumbnail, but I will go for the blurred image with pixels. And I have already an idea in mind, so I hope you're ready, because we're gonna start this project. Let's go! The sketch looks pretty much done. This whole middle section will be the blurred pixels, and the scenery around will be black and white, and I'm just gonna be inking that with fine liner. So the fine lining part will be the next thing to do, and then as soon as the background is completely done, I'm gonna start and do the pixels. Bruh. Well, it's been a while since I've done these ink drawings, and I'm really happy that I'm back at it again. I've done this so many times in the past and I still really enjoy it. I really enjoy the process of drawing with the fine liner, but it's so much work, it's so time consuming. Alrighty, so I call this part completed. Let's do this part now. Just like that, I'm done with the inking. It's time for the pixels, and let me explain how I will go about this. So what I want here in the middle of the drawing is basically the pixels of a blurred person. So what I did was I grabbed a stock photo just from the internet, and then I basically removed the background and I pixelated it in Photoshop, just like this. And now the challenge will be to recreate this on my piece of paper. So I grabbed my ruler, drew grid, grabbed my paint, my brushes and my mixing palette. And now I'm ready to paint. Alright, so I think I have everything within reach now. So now it's time to paint about 300 squares. Bruh. So I would say, let's do this. Oh yeah, the first 3 pixels are done. Alrighty, so the face is done, and I guess it looks like it's supposed to look. It's a lot of work, but I'm getting there. Let's go! This work is unbelievably time consuming. God damn! Yes, another special effect done. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked the drawing, this one is for sale on my website. There's a link down below if you want to check it out. Also, if you have suggestions on what I should try next, leave it in the comments. I answer most of the comments, so I really hope to see you down there. And until the next video, take care.